Hello everyone. So today I obviously I'm not going to be on any Android or iOS related content. Today it's about networking, which is one of my favorite fields of work. I love networking. Um, and today I'm going to do one video about this, and it has to be doing with changing a firmware of a wireless router. You're going to put a custom firmware, and they're called DD-wrt, which would help you supercharge your router. You can get better network speeds on there, you can get better Wi-Fi coverage on there. So stay tuned. Today I'm going to show you how to boost your router, specifically the TP-Link TWR841N model. I'm going to show you how to boost this device, how to increase the performance, increase your Wi-Fi range on there. Now I have two of these routers. I have one which I placed outside just so that I can get better coverage of my Wi-Fi outside, and I have one inside as well which I use as a network switch. So you can see I have so many wires connected here. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the stock firmware, which is from TP-Link, and we're going to put our own custom firmware on there. Now to do that, it's very simple. You go to a website called DD-wrt and you download the firmware. So I will have the link down in the description. So you see here, you're going to download these two images. You have web upgrade and web factory to DD-wrt. So you download this one and you flash this one first, and you download this one and then you flash it when you get to DD-wrt's firmware. Now first of all, now that you've finished downloading them, which I have already, see I have the two files here, it's very simple to get started with the process. So you go over on your web browser and you access your routers page, which should be 192.168.1.1. okay, and you should see that you're on the page here. So now that you're on the page, your username should be admin, your password should be admin, depending on what you have. You go to system tools, you go to firmware upgrade, and you choose the file, and in my case I have it in a special folder. Okay, and first of all you select factory to DD-wrt. This is what you should install first. So you choose your file and you click upgrade, and then you get your prompt and then you click OK, and it's now flashing the firmware onto the device. So the device would reboot anytime from now. But then when it does, you will be on a different page. You will no longer see TP-Link, but instead you will see DD-wrt. So I will pause the video until the process completes. Okay, so it's restarting, like it says here. So you can see the router has restarted. It will no longer be on the TP-Link page. That's when we have to be on DD-wrt, and then we have to flash in the web flash image. Okay, so it's still restarting. So I believe it should be now on DD-wrt. So now on here, we're going to press enter again, refresh the page. Okay, so you can see now we're on DD-wrt. So that means we are complete with the process. Now router username admin, or you can choose whatever name you want. I'm going to also put admin as my password, and admin again just to confirm. Okay, so you're going to do that, and when it's done you should be on this page. Now that you're here, you're not done as yet. You have to go to the final step. You go to administration, firmware upgrade, you choose the file. Now you select web flash, then you click upgrade, and it should reboot the device. So this is the last step that you're going to put in on the device. Okay, so it appears that it's already done. So now it's done. It should refresh the page. Okay, so here you have a wide range of options. You can have your own DNS servers, which I recommend putting from from Cloudflare, this DNS server. I'll put it on screen as well so that you can see, but this is the...
What to mention, if you want to monitor what persons are doing on your network, just as I do, you can use Cisco Umbrella. So you can sign up for a free account and you can use Cisco Umbrella, follow the instructions from the website, and you can monitor your network. So you can see I have different stuff over there. You can check what websites are being visited. You can check if persons were trying to run attacks on your network. You can check various stuff. So I have many entries there for 2006. So if you scroll up or down, you can see the different websites that was visited on your network and so on. So you can also use Cisco Umbrella as well.
As to what frequency you want, the range as well, and you can also add a virtual interface if you want different Wi-Fi names, which I do. I actually have that on my other router as well. So you can also add a virtual interface. Wireless security, of course, I know most of you want that. So you can put that for there as well. You can also use this router as a Wi-Fi extender as well if DD-wrt is firmware. It's a very simple process. So what you do is just use this as your receiving end, so that will receive Wi-Fi from whatever router that you have. And the virtual interface would be the extended Wi-Fi network. We have NAT and QoS, quality of service. You can control the speed. So if you do not want to have the device on the speed that you're receiving from your modem, you can put, let's say you put 4589 kilobits per second, and let's say 2345 kilobits per second. Now that you can do that probably if you're using the device to share Wi-Fi with other persons, but in my case I'll disable that. But there are many things that you can do on DD-wrt, and that's like so many. You can even have a system log, system information, see where your devices are connected. You can see the memory that's in use, your non-volatile random access memory as well. There's so many things over there, but anyway, that's just the beginning. You guys can do further research as to what else you can do with DD-wrt. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Like the video, share with others, and I will see you in another one.